Hey, Strayan back here. We're doing a Germany tutorial now. Um, if you'd like to know how to get both World Edit and the Super Flat World, uh, yeah, watch my other video. I explain it all at the start. But for those continuing on, let's get to it. All right. So first, we're gonna start. We're gonna start at the top of the Netherlands. And now, if you've built the Netherlands, then you will have this border here, and you can place a block here. If you haven't built the Netherlands and you're new here and you're just building Germany, then what you're going to do is you're going to center yourself on this block. For me, it's 23, -81. But for you, if you're starting Germany, if you haven't built the Benelux, then it should be 0, 0. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to place a block, then you're going to go up one, up one, up one. By the way, when I say up, I mean across one and up one, because it's just really annoying to say across up, across up, across up when it's like going diagonal. So yeah, rules are like, say for example, I have 3 blocks along here. If I say down 2, it means this, not this. If I do need to build that, I will specifically say, I'll say connecting to. So I'll say 3 connecting to 2. Same direction, and that's what it means. So those who are just listening and all that. Okay, so up left, bottom left, bottom across 3, connecting 1 up 2, up right 1, up 2, across 2, across 3, across by 4, then across by 2, then down 1, then across by 4 with 1 connecting. Now we've done this Atlantic border. Let's do the island chain here, connecting from the Netherlands. So you'll want to go, if you've built the Netherlands, simply go 3 blocks from where we left off on the other islands, and place 3 blocks connecting in a triangle sort of pattern, kind of like this. If you haven't built the Netherlands and you're new here, then go to this 3 block here, the very northern bit of the border we just built, where there's 3 blocks. Go to the very end of the 3 blocks, 2 blocks up, jump and place a block. Now you want to go 3 blocks to your left, place 2 blocks, and that's straight left, that's not connecting. And then down a block, across by 3, and place 2 blocks across, down by 1, across by 2, place a block, and then a 1 block gap into the triangle thing I just said earlier. Now, we go back to the original block we placed, go 1 across, 2 across, place a block, up right, place 2, then 2 block gap, and then place 2, 1 block gap, and place 2. And then we come down a block, and across a block, and then 2 blocks down. So that's the island chain completed. Now we're going to go connecting, this is back on the border, we're going to go 3 blocks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going diagonally, connecting here, and then we're going to go up 1 diagonal, and then 2 straight up, not connecting, and then 1 up, 2 up, 2 across, 2 down, 2 across, 2 up, 2 up again, 1 up again, 3 up, 2 across, 2 blocks diagonally down, one sec. Then we're going to go 3 blocks across, then 1 block up, 4 blocks across, 5 blocks diagonally down, then 3 sets of 2 blocks going across. Then we go 2 diagonal blocks going back up the way we came, 2 across twice, and 2 up, 2 across again, then 2 blocks diagonally, and then build a line so there's a 1 block gap between the 4 block thing we built, and at the top it's 6 blocks, so it should overhang 1 block on each side with 1 block gap in between. Now we've got this block up here, so I'm going to go 1 block up, and then we build a 2 by 2, just like that, and then go to the top left corner of the 2 by 2, and go 4 blocks across, and then you can place 2 blocks up, and that's another German island. Come to here, this corner here, in between, situated in between these 2 blocks, then go up 1 diagonally, up 2 diagonally, up 3 diagonally, and then 1 block to the left, jump and place a block, there's another island. Back to the 2x2 square, we'll have 2 blocks going up, then 1 diagonal, then 5 across, then from the center, we'll want to go up 2 blocks, and then to the left 1 connecting. And then from the 5 block thing we just built, we want to go up 1, cross by 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, place a block, another island. Now to get to that island over there, we're going to have to go down by 1 block, then across by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jump, place a block, and make the triangle formation thing. Coming back to here, back to the actual border of the coast, I'm going to do 2 sets of 2 blocks going across, and 2 blocks up, 2 blocks across again, and then 2 down diagonal, and 1 back up, and it makes it, and then 2 up that way, it makes sort of like this upside down cross formation. Go to the very left side of the cross, 2 blocks across, sorry 3, and then you've got another island. From the first block you placed on the island, go up by 1, go up by 2, across by, go right by 1, there's another island, and diagonally 2 from that, there's another 2 block long island, and then diagonally down 2 from that is another island. So it should be looking like this. And then we're going to go 2 blocks up, and then 3 blocks up diagonally like that. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. So you want to build 1 block up from there, and then 9 blocks that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Coming back to the end of here, this little thingy, you'll want to build 1, 2, 3, and then you want to double up the next 3. So 1, 2, 3, like that. And come to the very, very end, the top left corner of what you've just built, the doubled up line, and go up by 1, across by 1, up by another 1, jump, place a block, and then place another block on top of that. So it should look like that. Okay, coming back to the Danish border now, we're going to be building 2 across, 3 across, the triangle thingy, and then 1 down, back up by 1, 2 across, then 3 across. Then we're going to be going 1 down, and then going back up from that, we'll build 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5 down. So it should look like this. Next, we're going to be doing this, so which is 3 down diagonally, so 1, 2, 3. The first block should be connecting to the 5 block long strip. There's a lake, so very tail of what we just built. Go up by diagonally by 1 block, then up by another block, and jump and place a block. And then simply just create a border around a little 2 block gap inside there. So it should be looking like that. 6 blocks total. Just like that. And then, so yeah, you're just surrounding 2 blocks in that lake. Then come back to the German border. You want to go right by 3 blocks. Right, up 1, right by another 3 blocks. Go to the middle of those 3 blocks, and then down by another 3 blocks. Then you want to go diagonally down by 1, but then diagonally back up by 2. And then across by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you want to go to the very end of the 6 block long strip. Go across by 1, down by 2, jump and place a block, and then connect it. Then diagonally down across, diagonally down left, place a block, and then connect the line. So it should be 3 diagonal blocks connecting the 6 strip line, like that. Then come to the middle of this diagonal strip, go down this way. One sec, just thinking. So you want to go diagonally left of the middle block here. Diagonally down left twice, by two blocks, place a block, and then like before, surround a 2-block gap in the middle. You want to come back up here, come to the where the diagonal line joins the 6-block line, with 2 blocks up, place a block. You want to come back down to the border. I'm going to go 2 blocks across, 1 block down, 1 block back up, then 3 blocks across, and 4 blocks down like this. Here's an island chain here, so one place 1 block like that, another block diagonally like that, and then double it up there, so that's 6 blocks total, and then we'll extend it out by 1 just on the bottom, and then extend that down like that, so it should be looking like that. Next, we've got a diagonally down 1 block, then across by 2, diagonally down again by 2, then straight down by 2, diagonally back up by 2 blocks, then across by 4 blocks, across by another 3, diagonally back up by 3, make this triangle thing connecting corners with these 2 blocks. There's a lake here, so you want to go to the bottom point here, and then go diagonally down right by 2 blocks, place a block, count 4 blocks down, and those 4 blocks are going to be what you're going to be surrounding. So just like that. So you've got 4 blocks in the middle surrounded by black concrete. Next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be extending it back up by 3, just like that, then diagonally up by 1, across by 2, across by 4, across by 3, across by 4 again, down by 1, up by 2, across by 2, again across by 2, and also again across by 2, but this time down 1 block. Over here we have another sort of mini island chain. If you want to come to the very middle of the 4 block, make sure you're on the 3rd block, like you move over a little bit, go up by 1 block, place a block, then you go up diagonally to the right by 2 blocks. On the 3rd one, just surround it with black concrete. Next, we're going to be going diagonally up by 1, across by 2, down by 2, diagonally across by 1, across by 2, weird triangle sort of formation thingy. Go back to the 2-1-2 formation and go diagonally right and place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a weird placement, don't worry. Then you want to build 2 across, 2 up diagonally, and then you want to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Next, we're going to place 5 blocks here, so this block right here, surround the top blocks, like that, just everything north from this block, from the bottom border, just those 5. You want to come down here and place 2 blocks going up, 2 blocks across, and then do a 2x2 like that. Then come down, do another triangle thingy, and then connect it with a block in there. You want to come 2 blocks down like that, 2 across, 4 across, and then connecting down by another 4. Now come to the very corner of what we just built, the 4-4 formation, and then go across by 2 blocks, place a block, then go across by a block and simply surround it with black concrete on all but 2 corners, the far right corners. Then you want to diagonally go down by 2, and you want to make this sort of weird inverted sideways L, and then across by another 4 blocks. Then come to the end of here, go down by 3 blocks, then that will be the corner of your triangle formation. Connect it diagonally like that, with that sort of V shape. Come to the very end here, go diagonally down by 1, 3 blocks down, connecting 3 blocks across to connect the pattern. Then down by 2, then diagonally down by 1, across by 2, twice, across by a third one, and you kind of make this sort of small weird T. Then you come diagonally down like this, and then 2 blocks down. So you make this sort of weird sort of cross formation where there's like a little bit sticking out there. Then you come down by another 2 twice, then down by 3, down by another 2, 2 diagonally down across, and 2 across, 4 down like that, 1 diagonally down, 2 across, 1 diagonally down, 2 across, 3 across, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Now for the lakes up here, you want to come to this exact block, so right here. Then you want to be going diagonally down to the left by 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, the very block you're standing on, just surround it without corners in concrete. Now this one, you want to come to this very specific block and go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and do the same as before. Now next we're going to go from this block, we're going to go diagonally down left, down to the left by 1, 2, 3, 4, then down, straight down by 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks across. That's 2 diagonally down like that, 2 down, 2 diagonally down again, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonally back up, connecting the shape. Then you split it up by making a hollow triangle formation by adding these 2 blocks here. And then you want to go to the very far end of this lake, go diagonally down and across by 1 and do as those 2 lakes. Now you want to pull out your red concrete and you want to go down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, diagonally across by 1, down 2, back across by 1, down 2, down 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's down 4, down 2, diagonally across by 1, to the right by 2, down by 2, down by 2 again, diagonally across, but come back and do 3 down, another 3 down after that. You want to go across by 1, and then make this inverted L, and then you're going to come back up, and do 2, 2, 1, and make this sort of squared off sort of thing. And then you want to come down and do another 2, then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks across. And you want to come 1 block diagonally down, 2 across, another 4 across, 2 down, then 2 diagonally down, 2 across, 3 across twice, then 2 down, 2 across twice with a 1 block difference, then 5 across like that, 1 diagonally down, 2 across, then make this weird 5 block pattern with a little gap in the middle, leave the gap and make a 3 block thingy down. I should have been using black concrete for all of that. Then you want to come down diagonally by 3, across by 2, and then across down by another 2. Then connecting on from it, you want to create another triangle pattern, down across by 2, down by 2, diagonally across by 2, diagonally down by 1, across by 2, diagonally down by 2, across by 2, diagonally down by 1, across by 2, down by 2, diagonally across by 1, then back up by 1. Then you want to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's diagonally down to the left, no, to the right, sorry. Left. Right. What am I saying? Blocks, down by 3 blocks. Diagonally down by 2, across by 2, across by another 2, and then down by 4 blocks, connecting, that is. Diagonally down by 2 blocks, and across by 4, across by 2, across by 3, down by 3, diagonally across by 2, down by 3, make a small sort of inverted L, sideways L, then come down by 2, down and across by 1, down by 3 again, then you want to go diagonally up by 2, diagonally up by 1, and 4 across, 3 across, another 3 across. You want to make another cross sort of pattern. Come to the end here, the little end here, and go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Make a sort of 5 block formation like this, and end it with that 1 block there. Then we'll want to a big bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blocks long across, then 4 blocks across, 3 blocks diagonally down, then another 3 blocks diagonally down like that, so that should be connecting with that. Then make it a 2 across, then go 2 up, another 2 up, then connecting 4 across. Then you want to go another 4 across. If you want to do these lengths, we'll want to come from here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then go 4 blocks up, 1 on the 3rd block up, diagonally up by 1 block, and make this little triangle thing here. Right, then we want to come down here, go by 1 block, and then back down by 2, another 2, and then diagonally down by 3, by 4, and 1 across, 1 to the left, connecting, and 2 across, and then 2 diagonally up, 2 across, a weird sort of triangle formation thingy, then diagonally up by 1, across by 3, diagonally up by 1, across by another 3, diagonally up by 2, but it shouldn't go anywhere, and then you want to come back down, just opposite it, and make sort of like a weird L shape like this. And 2 across, 3 across, another weird L shape, except we're going to be connecting it like that, with 1 block down there. Then we want to do like a sideways lightning bolt there, so that should mean there's a gap right there. Then we want to do 2 across here, 2 diagonally up there, 2 across, 2 across, 2 across, 2 across. We want to make like this little arrow point sort of thing, and 2 across, 1 diagonally back up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight up, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight up with 2 blocks sort of jotting out there. And we want to do 2 blocks up, 3 blocks up, 1 up, 2 up, 3 up. So this is the French Quarter. So then we want to do 1 diagonally across, 2 up, 2 diagonally across, 5 across, another 4 across, build 2 blocks up, then 4 across, then back 4 across, but make sure that it drops out 1 block here. And then you want to place 1 block there, and then this weird sort of 5 block gap, black gap block formation. Then 3 across, 3 up, 3 diagonal, and another one like that, and then a weird L like that. Now, if you have already built the Benelux, then skip to this timestamp for the flag. If you haven't built the Benelux, then you are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks up like that, then around like a weird lightning bolt, this, and then 1 block that way, 2 blocks across, 2 blocks up, and you want to go 2 blocks up, but then connecting, you want to build another 4 blocks up, then diagonally up by 2, do like a corner here, and then up by 2, do like an inside sort of corner here, and then diagonally up by 1, across by 2, and diagonally up by 2, then make like an upside down L, up by 2, diagonally up by 1, up by 2, twice, then diagonally up by 1, 2 by 2, and from that you want to come back in for another diagonally up by 1, then up by 5, up by 2, by another 2, then you want to do like a triangle thingy, then 4 across, 3 across twice, 1 up diagonally, 2 up, and 6 up diagonally, and that's 4 up, 2 across, 3 diagonal, 3 up. You want to make like a little block jot up here before going 4 blocks across like that. Then you want to go up 2 blocks, then by 3 blocks, and then completing it by 6 blocks like that. Now I've got a couple lakes in here to do, and that's just about it before you can start doing the flag. So you want to go to this exact block here. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 blocks. Then you're going to diagonally left by 1, place a block, diagonally down right, place 2 blocks, and then diagonally up to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then diagonally back up for 2 blocks. Now to get to here, and that's all of the lakes done. Those 2 blocks for me are just for me, they're markers for the flag. Don't build them, they're not lakes. So now for the flag, you want to come to this exact spot here. So, right there. Place 1 down, hit it. You do slash line to fit right across, then you fill. So you want to do yellow concrete on the bottom, then you want to come up to, let's go across, that's my marker, come to this exact block, right there, zoom right out, now to fill the black up here with concrete. And you're going to come back up here to these islands, and you make sure they're all filled in. And you want to make sure you don't stuff up the fill command like I have done here. There we go, Mega Scale Germany tutorial completed. I thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, like obviously, all of that shit. Yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. See you.